Just showing you the gardens. It's the gay feather. The bird garden. And Barbara, the gnomes she gave us are out. Some Scotch broom. I had to divide some plants. More Scotch broom. Really pretty rhododendron. Clematis. An orange rhododendron. And I'll just take you around this side. So the beautyberry that we hacked away at Easter is coming back. This is, I forget what this is called. Mom, you probably know. So it's just about ready to pop open in flowers. There we go. Butterfly bush. And we have chickadees nesting in this birdhouse here. And we have sparrows. Look at these burning bushes. Sparrows nesting in this one. And last but not least, look at our bleeding hearts are going crazy. I gotta get back here and weed. But we put in another nest box. We had this box, we just had to get a pole for it, and we made this little garden back here. Those are variegated irises there. This Kuza is covered in flowers, but they're green, so I don't know what's up with that. And they don't turn white, which is very annoying. And this is the other house, but there's nothing in there yet. And that's it. Siding is almost done. Unfortunately, the front is the part that is still lacking. And here we come back up the hill. The plum tree looks grand. The pink dogwoods look great. Mom, you probably recognize that heron. And the solar bird bath. My prize thing right now. It's just so exciting. And Carrie's added in an extra vegetable bed. We put the tomatoes in these tomato bag thingies. He's got his vegetable gardens going. Asparagus is growing like a weed. And lettuce. The irises, Mom, that you convinced us to replant over here have flowered the first time in the 12 years we've been here. The trumpet vines are coming back, as you can see. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here's Jessie, man. Jessie, Jessie, what you doing? What you doing? And here's Lucy. 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 And Chandler. All right, love you guys. Bye.